When should you go for career guidance? You wish to know if your career interests and your potential are in sync. You want to know what type of work/profile you are likely to be satisfied with. You need help in understanding yourself better and relate this self-awareness to effective career choices. You want help in identifying why your career is no longer satisfying, or you are burned out and need a career change. You are not aware of several new flourishing careers in the markets, ACE. You are stuck and don't know what to do next. There are too many career options in front of you, and you don't know which is the right one to choose. You have an idea for a career change, but you want to talk it over with an expert.